everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you about Oracle Maximum Protection Mode. First I will explain you about this mode, then I will show you how we can configure in our environment. So let's start. In Maximum Protection Mode we have sync transport, no data loss, and we need high bandwidth. In maximum protection mode, Oracle guarantee that there will be no any data loss on secondary side if our primary goes down. In maximum protection mode, transactions are not committed on primary database until all redo data need to recover those transactions has been written at one of standby database, and that is synchronized redo transport. For that, we should have high speed and reliable network connectivity between the primary database and standby databases. We also should have low latency to support synchronized redo transport at network level. Now let's start how we can configure our maximum protection mode. Hi, in this session we will perform activity how we can convert our physical standby database to maximum protection mode, okay, which we have already discussed about the maximum protection mode of Oracle database in our theory classes. So in this session we will perform the practical how we can convert our physical standby database in a maximum protection mode. So let's start. This is my environment. I have a primary database and I have two standby databases. Okay, both databases are sync. If you see the alert log, so all standby and my primary machines are sync. So before this, first we have to create the physical standby database, okay, which we have already discussed in our previous sessions how we can create the physical standby database. Then after we have to verify the reload location on all standby database, okay, and third one we have to create standby logs on primary and standby databases, which we all these things we have already discussed in our previous session. You can watch my previous video about this, okay. So let's start our activity how we can convert our physical standby database which is running in maximum performance mode to maximum protection mode, okay. So first we check the current protection mode of our current environment, okay. This is my primary machine. Now Excel plus currently my primary machine is running in maximum performance mode, okay. Let's execute same command on all standby as well, which is also maximum performance. This is standby 2. This is all also a maximum performance mode. One thing you should note, we have required downtime for this conversion, okay. So because we will perform some activity on our primary machine, okay, so we need to shut down and start our primary database in a mode for conversion. So let's start. First we have to define archive log conversion parameters, okay. Define log r config, log archive config. We have to define this parameter on our all standby and production machines. Okay, this is my this is my primary machine unique name. Okay, this is my standby database db unique name, and this is also the second standby database db unique name. So you need to define your database configuration in that sequence. So let's execute this on all my primary and all standby databases. Just execute it. Okay, you have to define your configuration like this. This is your primary, this is your standby 1, and this is your standby 2. Okay, the first parameter we have already now we have defined. Now second parameter we have to, because in this activity we will use the standby 1 as a maximum protection standby. Okay, so I have to change this parameter of my standby to standby 1 destination. Okay, let me check current configuration on my primary. Show parameter. Okay, this is my standby 2. You see the service is standby 1. This is my stand destination 2. Okay, this is log archive destination 2, and the values defined is service is equal to standby 1 log writer async. Okay, and this is valid for online log primary role, and this is my db unit name. So I have to change this mode to sync. Okay, this is my command which I have to execute on my primary database. Okay, let's execute on my primary. Okay, I just only change the configuration for standby 1. The value has been changed. Now it's time to convert the primary database to maximum performance, to from maximum performance to maximum protection mode. Let's again verify this is maximum performance. Let's shut down immediate to my primary. Then I will start my primary database in a mount mode. So now database is shutting down. Now database has been shut down. Now I'll just start up mount. In my database mount, I will execute this command on my. Before executing this command, just check again performance mode. Okay, this is still performance, maximum performance. Let's execute auto database maximum protection. Okay, now command has been executed. Let's check again. This command. Okay, now protection mode has been changed. Now just open database, alter database, open. Now let's execute this command on primary. Okay, now it's maximum protection. Let me execute same command on my standby 2 as well. Okay, just before this, just perform auto system switch log file. Switch file. Okay, and now let's execute this command for check role on my standby. Now the role on a standby 1 has been changed to maximum protection. Let me execute same on my standby 2 side. You see, standby 2 side is still maximum performance. Okay, so because I just change the archive destination to a to sync. Okay, let me show you. Show parameter arc, show parameter arc. Okay, see destination 3 for standby 2. You see this is async. Okay, and for destination 2 this is for a firm sync mode. So my standby 1 is for maximum protection mode. So I have successfully convert my primary database to maximum performance to maximum protection mode. Okay, let me show you some example what behavior after that. Okay, let me shut down immediate standby side 1. Okay, if you see the error, database busy, open, close, mount, and this one not allowed now. Okay, because this database is currently running in the maximum protection mode, so we can't execute any shutdown immediate command on this side. Okay, let me do some exercise for you. Just create a user. Let me create a table. Create table. Test 19. Okay, and then id number. Table has been created. Okay, let me select this table on my standby 1 side. Okay, table has been replicated over there. Let me insert some data. Insert into test 19 values 1. Okay, commit and then select again. Now data has been, you can see that data is coming on rest 19. Okay, let's suppose due some reason my standby 1 side shut down. Okay, just perform shutdown abort. I can perform shutdown abort on my standby 1 side. Okay, let's execute shutdown abort. Okay, if you see the other log on my primary side, say the standby 2 about standby 2. Okay, it's RFS probably or RFS process reconnecting. Okay, now should I have shut down my standby 1 side. Okay, Let me execute the same command again. Okay, just create a table, create table. Okay, test 20. Okay, id number. Let's see the behavior. If you see, this command is hang. Okay, because I have converted my database in the maximum protection mode. Okay, so that means I can't do any activity till now. My standby one site is available. Okay, so I have to open my standby one again to allow the user to enter database, enter any information in my primary database. Okay, so let's execute startup again on the my primary site. Okay, startup. Now command has been executed. So I have successfully create my database to maximum protection mode. Also, I have also performed some testing for you. I think this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching. Hi.